Alright guys, time for the 24 volt conversion. So we're going from 12 volts to 24 volts. And we're going to be using a second little 12 volt battery. But let me show y'all the tire spin on the 12 volt. Okay. Now we're going to come over here. I'm going to show you all how to do a 24 volt conversion. It's very simple. First thing you need is the second battery. So let me grab that. Okay. Now, like in the first video, if you'll watch that on the channel, we'll be using, this one is a Neptune. I have two of these, but right now I have the stock one and this one. And we're going to go ahead and add these. They're the same rating, and I will link them in the description below. They're pretty cheap, like $8 a piece. Okay, to do this conversion, you're going to need two 12 volt batteries. And let me show you how to do that. So, first thing you're going to need is a jumper wire. This wire just has two female ends on it, and it's a single strand wire. You can go from the positive to the negative of one battery. So, I'm going to grab a multimeter real quick. I'm going to switch the multimeter to voltage. And I'm going to clamp that somewhere where y'all can see it, hopefully. And you know what, we'll just lay it up here. Okay, so we're at 25.6. Now if we pull one of these battery terminals off, and we're at 12.8. So 12 volts to 24 volt. So again, we're going to go over this, do positive to negative, and then we're going to take the positive and negative runs and connect into the middle. Or you can do it like this. You could do the negative right here and the positive right here. It doesn't matter. As long as you have a positive and negative on the jumper. So, go ahead and put these batteries in here. I don't really have a lot of room because we're going to be relocating these. But these are spill-proof batteries. That's one reason why I went with these. Because we're going to be putting these under the seat, as you'll see in a second. So now we're hooked up in 24 volt. Let me put this battery here so you can see. So now we're hooked up in 24 volt. Let's see how... I know tire spin really isn't the best indicator of this, but my son's asleep. It's late. That is a lot faster. So my goal is to do this with the batteries. Since these are small batteries, I'm not sure how long these ones are going to last, guys, to be 100% honest. They last a really long time in his remote controlled one, so I imagine they're going to last pretty good in here as well. And my goal is to set them up. Something like this, or something like this. Haven't really figured out how I'm going to do it yet. I kind of like this idea better, because they fit a little snugger. So I won't have to worry about them jumbling around. But my next goal, I've got to clean this out, take everything apart, paint it. I'm probably going to do white with splatter paint or black with splatter paint. And I plan to actually get this roll bar. I plan to put some real lights in this roll bar, make it look cool. And maybe put some headlights in the grill, which is currently right here. So Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And as always, subscribe. Hit that bell notification if you want to see more videos on this. I have some videos on the Jeep I'm going to post up if I haven't already. I've got a couple, but I don't think I have them all. That's remote controlled. This one's not, but this one's a lot more powerful. And then we're also going to start doing some videos on this Thomas. This little Thomas is very surprising. It's a Fisher Price as well, Power Wheels. It's really quick, but it's forward only, small tires, but I have a feeling I can do some pretty cool stuff with it. So stay tuned for more.